Kingdom protista. All single-cell eukaryotes are placed under protista, but the boundaries of this kingdom are not well defined. What meant to be a photosynthetic protista to one biologist may be a plant kingdom to another. In this book, we include chrysophyte, dinoflagellates, euglenoids, slime mounds, and protozoans under the protista. Members of protista are primarily aquatic. This kingdom forms a link with the other dealing with the plant, animals, and fungi. Being eukaryotes, the protista cell body contains a well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelle. Some have flagella or cilia. Protists reproduce asexually and sexually by a process involving cell fusion and the zygote formation. Chrysophytes. This group include diatoms, golden algae, desmids. They are found in fresh water as well as in marine environment. They are microscopic and float passively in the water current plankton. Most of them are photosynthetic. In diatoms, the cell wall form two thin overlapping shells which fit together as in a soap box. The walls are embedded with silica and thus the walls are indestructible. Thus, diatoms have left behind large amount of cell wall deposit in their habitat. This accumulation over billions of years is referred to as diatomaceous earth. Being gritty, this soil is used in polishing, filtrations of oils and syrups. Diatoms are the chief producers in the oceans. Dinoflagellate. These organisms are mostly marine and photosynthetic. They appear yellow, brown, green, blue or red depending on the main pigment present in their cells. The cell wall has stiff cellulosic plate on the outer surface. Most of them have two flagella, one lies longitudinally and other transversely in a furrow between the wall plates. Very often red dinoflagellate, example Guaniolax, undergo such rapid multiplication that they make the sea appear red tides. Toxins released by such large number may even kill other marine animals such as fishes. Euglenoid. Majority of them are freshwater organisms found in the stagnant water. Instead of cell wall, they have a protein-rich layer called pellicle, which makes their body flexible. They have two flagella, a short and a long one. Though they are photosynthetic in the presence of sunlight, when deprived of sunlight, they behave like heterotrophs by predating on other smaller organisms. Interestingly, the pigment of euglenoid are identical to those present in higher plant, example euglena. Slime mounds are saprophytic protists. The body moves along the decaying twig and leaf engulfing organic material. Under suitable conditions, they form an aggregation called plasmodium which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium differentiate and form fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tip. Spores possess true wall. They are extremely resistant and survive for many years even under adverse conditions. The spores are dispersed by the air current. Protozoans. All protozoans are heterotroph and live as predators or parasites. They are believed to be primitive relatives of animal. There are four major groups of protozoans. First one is amoeboid protozoan. These organisms live in fresh water, sea water or moist soil. They move and capture their prey by putting out pseudopodia, false feet as in amoeba. Marine forms have silica shells on their surface. Some of them, such as ant amoeba, are the parasite. Flagellated protozoan. These members of this group are either free-living or parasitic. They have flagella. The parasitic form cause diseases such as sleeping sickness, example trypanosoma. Ciliated protozoan. These are aquatic, actively moving organisms because of the presence of thousands of cilia. They have a cavity gullet that open to the outside of the cell surface. The coordinated movement of rows cilia causes the water laden with food to be stirred into the gullet. Example paramecium. Sporozoan. This include a diverse organism that have an infectious spore-like stage in their life cycle. The most notorious is Plasmodium, malarial parasite which cause malaria, a disease which has a staggering effect on human population. Thank you everybody. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.